Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nectar Bath Treats. It's been a while since I've opened anything from them, but they have some really awesome products. Bath bombs, soaps, even have customizable like bath wash you can use or body wash. So awesome. So they sent me some goodies. Oh, this is cool. I saw this on their website. It's a rainbow sponge with little loofahs at the end. I already know who's gonna steal this from me, Miss Raylan. Let's go ahead and open it. This is just the cutest thing ever. That's so cute. So I got that. Also have a Fizz Bar. I don't remember if I did one of these before or not. If so, I think they've changed the packaging. So this says it has a strawberry, peach, lychee, hibiscus scent. And I love that it's actually shaped like a candy bar. There's different little pieces you can break off, so you can use part of it, so you don't have to use the whole thing. That's really cool. I'll be doing a demo of that one. Also have a Waffle Bath Bomb Strawberry Vanilla. I think they've changed their packaging because before I did a Waffle one, I don't think it came boxed like this. Let me figure out how to open this. This smells really good. I can already smell it. That's adorable. Has a strawberry soap embed on top. And it's like a creamish and pink color with a pink mica drizzle on it. That's beautiful. And the last thing we have are Bubble Bears. These are soap minis. Cranberry pear Bellini. Those are so cute. Kids are gonna love those. I could smell it. It smells so good. So just, yeah, little mini soaps, all different colors. We have purple, blue, yellow, red, green. That is so cute. Perfect for tiny hands. Kids will love those. So I will be doing a demo of the Fizz Bar and the Waffle Bath Bomb. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. And I also have a link and a promo code in case you'd like to try anything from Nectar Bath Treats. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.